Thank you for joining us today. We're really excited because we have a great market leader who is about to give you some incredible insider information that you can only get here. We all know that looking for the best professional for your needs can be intimidating. But here's a little secret. All you really need to know are the right questions to ask. And you're in luck because today's guest is here right now to help.
Hi, I'm Craig Jones from Unwrapped Media. We're here in Jumeirah Gulf Estates today to shoot a 3D virtual tour for Hauser. Here Jason's doing a 3D virtual tour. We scan every 6 feet so that we can capture the 3D model and be able to showcase this to your clients. We wanted to come into the market to be able to give more to clients. We're a 3D virtual tour specialist company, which allows us to go into properties and capture 3D models. Unwrapped Media stands for quality, time efficiency. We're working in a market here that is very fast paced. So you can book a shoot with Unwrapped Media with 12 hours notice. Then we're on site, we do the shoot, we upload, and then your assets will be back to you within 12 to 24 hours. A 360 tour is just a 360, so a rotation of a camera that moves from one room to another. With our tours, a 3D virtual tour, we're creating a 3D model that you can immersively walk around. The Unwrapped Media and Hauser partnership was put in place for us both to be able to bring quality to the market. We're able to now give most cost-effective pricing to Hauser partners and allows us to give the best assets to their partners as well. Next time you're on Hauser, check out the listings with 3D tours.
Incredible what a huge impact a little time can make. With the right professional, the focus is simple. To find out more information, contact today's expert at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.